Welcome guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a simple coconut curry rice. So let's get right into the video. Easy 1 2 3 steps. So here we have all the ingredients, but I went ahead and I chopped up my onion, my garlic and my ginger, and now I'm showing you guys how I dice up my bell pepper. So I'm using 3 different colors, the red, the orange and the yellow. You can feel free to use whatever bell pepper you have in your fridge. So I'm going to dice them small in small cubes. So as I said, this is a simple and easy coconut curry rice. Okay guys, so now that we're finished cutting up all this, so we have the yellow bell pepper, orange, red onion, garlic and ginger. And here I have my thyme, my green onion and my hot pepper. Here I'm using half stick of butter, my Cool Runnings coconut milk. Use whatever brand you have, and here I have 1 tablespoon of curry and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Here I also have some water. This is 2 cups of water, and I also have some pimento seed that I already crushed and my rice that is already washed, and I'm using vegetable oil or granola oil or olive oil, whichever you have. Feel free to use what you have. So I have my stove. I turn it on medium for now. And I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. So guys, we're gonna make sure our oil is hot. Then I will add my curry and turmeric powder. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be adding my curry and my turmeric powder to the oil. It's already hot, so you know I have to burn my curry. As usual, you feel free to do whatever you like. And guys, you can use the curry by itself or you can mix it with the turmeric. You get a better flavor with both of them, but feel free to just do it your style and your way. This is Pal's Island Kitchen style, so go ahead and feel free to jazz it up how you want. So now that our curry is burning, now the curry is burned, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna saute all my vegetables that I dice up. So my garlic, ginger, my onion and my bell peppers. So I'm gonna saute those in the curry for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I will add my coconut milk. After you add everything, you make sure you stir everything because you don't want them to burn. So what we do is we burn our curry and then we saute our vegetable in the curry. And guys, you can feel free to add some mixed vegetable along the way too. See all those niceness, guys. If you could just smell the aroma from the curry powder and the turmeric combined together, and bear in mind the turmeric have a lot of health benefits. So this is an amazing rice. It's very delicious to say yes. And guys, thank you so much to all my members for your love and your support. And thank you so much to Team Happy for always supporting me, Team Lifers, Rainbow, and each and every one of you guys that tune into my videos every week. So here we go, guys. we're gonna go ahead once this is sauteed, and we're gonna add our coconut milk. And I'm using the Cool Runnings brand. You can check in my description box, there's a code there, PAL15, and you get a 15% discount for those who are in the Canadian area. But for the US, you can go on coolrunnings.com and order your seasoning also. So here we're going to be adding our coconut milk. Look at that rich coconut milk. Wow. This looks amazing, guys. You know, Pal's Island Kitchen style, Pal's Island Kitchen way. We do it like that. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for always supporting me. I appreciate it a lot. So now I'm gonna make sure I mix everything in, the curry, the vegetables, and the coconut milk, combine everything, and then we get down to business. So we're gonna leave this to simmer for a little bit to cook the coconut milk in, and then we'll get back to you guys. Okay, now guys, I'm adding some salt. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. See all those richness, that looks so good. Then we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add some water. So remember guys, I said to you I have 2 cups of water, and that's what I'll be adding to the coconut milk. Look at that richness, it's still rich and flavorful. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna add my scallion, my thyme, and my green pepper. We're gonna leave that to simmer a little bit. Then after we do that, I'm gonna be adding my butter. So guys, I am using the unsalted butter, not the salted one, because I already add salt to the pot. So I don't want to add the salted butter and then your pot is salt. So you can feel free to use the unsalted one, the salted one, and don't add any salt. And then I'm going to go ahead and I add a teaspoon of my green seasoning to this. So now I'm gonna make sure I lock everything in, mixing all the flavors. This smells so good. And then I'm gonna leave it to bubble a little bit and simmer, and then I will add my rice. Look at that, guys. It's bubbling away. Just as I like it. Yeah. We're adding our rice. Yep. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna be stirring this. Then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put my lid on. And guys, I turn my stove down. Look at that, guys. Wow. Shelly and nice. This is amazing. This is one of my go-to rice. So guys, I do hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And live good, love God, and see you next time in Pal's Island Kitchen. One love, respect to you all.